So you're holding a scrambled Rubik's Cube. It looks impossible, right? Like some kind of alien puzzle designed to make your brain melt. I've been there. You twist it a few times and it just gets worse. It feels like you need a supercomputer or maybe a PhD in advanced mathematics to solve it. But here's the secret. You don't. I promise you. With a little bit of guidance and a cool method, anyone can solve this cube. Yes, even you. It's not about being a genius. It's about learning a few simple patterns. It's kind of like a secret handshake with the cube. Once you know it, you're in the club. The feeling of solving a Rubik's Cube for the first time is awesome. It's a pure shot of victory. You go from feeling completely lost to being the master of this colorful little box. And guess what? You can get fast. Not just solving it in a week, but solving it in a few minutes, or even under a minute. It all starts with learning the beginner's method. This isn't some super complex 100 algorithm speed cubing technique. It's a simple step-by-step recipe that breaks the puzzle down into bite-sized, manageable chunks. We're going to turn this chaotic mess into a beautiful solved cube, one layer at a time. Before we dive in, let's get one thing straight. You will mess up. You will absolutely 100% make a wrong turn and have to start a step over. And that is totally okay. Every single person who has ever solved a cube has messed up countless times. Failure is just part of the process. It's how we learn. Think of it like a video game. You don't beat the final boss on your first try. You learn its moves, you try different strategies, and eventually, you win. This cube is your final boss, and I'm here to give you the cheat codes to defeat it once and for all. So grab your cube, scramble it up really good if it isn't already. We're about to go on an adventure. The method we're using is a layer-by-layer approach. It's the most straightforward way to learn, and it builds your confidence with every step. We'll start with the white cross, then finish the whole white face. After that, we'll tackle the middle section. Finally, we'll solve the yellow side and put all the last pieces into place. It sounds like a lot, but each step is just a small, easy-to-remember sequence of moves. Are you ready? Let's do this. Our first mission is to build the white cross. This is the foundation of our entire solve. Look at your cube. Find the white centerpiece. That piece never moves, so it's our anchor. Now we need to find the 4 edge pieces that have white on them. An edge piece is a piece with 2 colors. Your goal is to get these 4 white edge pieces to form a cross around the white center. But here's the important part. The other color on each edge piece must match the centerpiece next to it. So the white and blue edge piece needs to connect the white center and the blue center. Getting the white cross can feel a little tricky at first because there isn't one single formula. It's more about intuition. Think of it like parking a car. You see the spot and you maneuver the car into it. Find a white edge piece. If it's on the bottom layer, you can just rotate the bottom until it's under its matching color center. Then swing it up with 2 turns of that face. If it's in the middle layer, you can move it down to the bottom and then solve it. Just play around with it. This is your training ground for understanding how the pieces move in relation to one another. Once you have that perfect white cross, give yourself a high five. That's a huge first step. Now we finish the first layer. We need to find the 4 white corner pieces. A corner piece has 3 colors. Find a corner that has white on it. Let's say you find the white, blue, and red corner. Look for the spot where the white, blue, and red centerpieces meet. Your job is to get that corner piece into that exact spot. Hold the cube so the white cross is on top, and use a simple sequence of moves to pop the corner from the bottom layer up into its correct place. The magic sequence for inserting corners is super simple. Find the corner piece on the bottom layer and move it directly under the slot where it needs to go. Hold the cube so that slot is on the front right side. Now just repeat this 4-move sequence: right side down, bottom to the left, right side up, bottom to the right. You might have to do it a few times, but eventually that corner will pop right into place, perfectly oriented. Do this for all 4 corners and boom, the entire white layer is solved. Look at that. You've already conquered 1/3 of the cube. Alright, you've got the white layer looking perfect. Don't mess it up. From now on, we're going to hold the cube with the white face on the bottom. So flip your cube upside down. Our next goal is to solve the middle layer. This means we need to find the 4 edge pieces that belong in the middle, the ones that don't have any yellow on them. Look at the top layer, which is now the yellow side. Find an edge piece up there that doesn't have yellow on it. Let's say you find the red and blue edge piece. We need to get it into the slot between the red and blue centers. Here's the plan. Rotate the top layer until the front color of your chosen edge piece, the red and blue one for example, matches its center. So the blue part of the edge piece is lined up with the blue center. Now you need to decide if this piece needs to go to the right or to the left. In this case, the red side needs to go to the red center, so it needs to move into the slot on the right. This is where we use our first real algorithm. It's a simple set of moves that will feel like muscle memory after a few tries. It's like a secret key that unlocks the middle layer. To move the piece to the right, here's the sequence. Top to the left, right side up, top to the right, right side down. Did you see that? It looks like we just messed up our white corner, but don't panic. This is part of the plan. Now turn the whole cube to the right so the red face is now in front of you. We're going to insert that white corner back where it belongs using a move for your left hand. Top to the right, left side up, top to the left side down. Just like that, the edge piece slides perfectly into the middle layer, and your white layer is fixed. What if the piece needs to go to the left? It's almost the same, just a mirror image. Line up the front color of the edge piece with its center. If it needs to go left, you do this. Top to the right, left side up, top to the left side down. Then you turn the whole cube to the left and do the right-hand corner insert you already know. Top to the left, right side up, top to the right side down. Repeat this for all 4 middle layer edge pieces. Take your time, focus on one piece at a time, and before you know it, the first 2 layers of the cube will be completely solved. Look at your cube now. The first 2 layers are done. All that's left is this final yellow layer. It probably looks like a total mess up there, but don't worry, there's a method to this madness. Our first job is to create a yellow cross on the top face. Ignore the yellow corners for now. We only care about the 4 yellow edge pieces. When you look at the yellow face, you'll see one of 4 patterns. A single yellow dot in the center, a small L shape made of 2 edges, a horizontal line of 3 yellow pieces, or the full cross already solved. We're going to use one simple algorithm to cycle through these patterns until we get the yellow cross. Here's the move. Front face clockwise, right side up, top to the left, right side down, top to the right, front face counterclockwise. It's a 6-move sequence. If you have the dot, you do this algorithm once. This will give you the L shape. If you have the L shape, hold the cube so the L is in the top left corner, like the hands of a clock at 9 o'clock, and do the algorithm again. This will create the horizontal line. If you have the line, hold it horizontally and do the algorithm one last time. Presto, a yellow cross. Great, you have a yellow cross, but we're not done with it yet. We need to make sure the side colors of the cross pieces match their centers, just like we did with the white cross. Rotate the top layer and see how many of the edge pieces line up with their centers. You will either have 2 opposite edges that line up, 2 adjacent edges that line up, or all 4 will be correct. If all 4 are correct, you can skip to the next paragraph. If not, we have another simple algorithm to swap them into place. It's a fun one called soon. That's pronounced soon-a. Hold the cube so that one correctly placed edge is facing you and another is on the right if you have 2 adjacent correct edges. If you have 2 opposite correct edges, hold it so one is in front and one is in back. Now perform this sequence. Right side up, top to the left, right side down, top to the left, right side up, top to the left twice, right side down. After you do that, turn the top layer once, and all your yellow cross pieces should now be perfectly aligned with their center colors. It's like magic. We are so close to the end now. This is it, the final stretch. We have the yellow cross, and its edges are all in the right place. Now we just have to deal with those 4 yellow corner pieces. First, we need to get them into the correct positions, even if they are twisted the wrong way. Look at each yellow corner. Is it in the right spot? For example, is the yellow-red-blue corner piece sitting in the corner where the yellow, red, and blue centers meet? Find a corner that is already in its correct location. If you find one, hold the cube so that corner is in the front right position. If none of the corners are in the right spot, don't worry. Just hold the cube any way you like, with yellow on top, and do this next algorithm. It will move at least one corner into the right place. The sequence is top to the left, right side up, top to the right, left side up, top to the left, right side down, top to the right, left side down. After doing that, check your corners again. You should have one in the right spot now. Put it in the front right and repeat the algorithm until all 4 corners are in their correct positions. They might still look twisted, but that's our very last step. Okay, this is the moment of truth. All the pieces are in their correct places. Some are just twisted. This final algorithm is the one you learned for the white corners, but we're going to use it in a very specific way. Hold the cube so an unsolved yellow corner is at the front right. Now, repeat that old familiar sequence. Right side down, bottom to the left, right side up, bottom to the right. Keep repeating it over and over. Your cube will look scrambled, but trust the process. After 2 or 4 times, that corner will suddenly be solved. Here's the crucial part. Do not turn the whole cube. Instead, keep holding it in the same orientation and just turn the top layer to bring the next unsolved corner into that same front right spot. Now repeat the sequence again. Right side down, bottom to the left, right side up, bottom to the right. Keep going until that corner is solved. Bring the next one over, solve it. Bring the last one over, solve it. After that final turn, make one last adjustment to the top layer and BAM! You did it! You solved the Rubik's Cube. Go ahead, celebrate. You've earned it.